Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen, everyone. Today we are making a sun-dried tomato basil dip. It just screams summer to me. Now this is a variation from the original version in the Veganomicon. You don't have to add the basil, but I am because I like it. You don't have to. So, as always, all the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. All right, the first thing we're gonna do is boil some water because we're gonna stick it on top of our sun-dried tomatoes to help reconstitute them a little bit, make them a little bit softer, a little bit more pliable. Okay, now that we're boiling, let's go ahead and put it in our bowl of sun-dried tomatoes, cover it with a plate, and we're gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. All right, while that is soaking, we're gonna grab our almonds. We're gonna grind these to a powder. All right, and it should resemble something like that. Go ahead and grab 2 tablespoons of lemon juice while you're at it. Let's see if this works. All right, we're gonna chop 2 garlic cloves coarsely. And you're gonna need a half a cup of cooked white beans. I have Great Northern, you can use Navy, whatever you got. Okay, our 15 minutes is up. We're gonna get a slotted spoon because we're not going to throw out this water just yet. We're gonna use it. So we're gonna grab these tomatoes and we're gonna stick them in our food processor. All right, now we're gonna add the remaining ingredients and puree it until smooth. We're gonna add up to 1/4 cup of the tomato water. Just make sure you don't overdo it. Lemon juice, olive oil, garlic, half a cup of white beans, salt, and several pinches of black pepper. Gonna add some of this tomato water. I'm gonna add the remaining tomato water. All right, as you can see, it's pretty smooth. All right, we're gonna do one last step. We're just gonna add some basil, about a half a cup. Throw it in there, pulse it a couple times. You wanna keep everything mostly intact, just, you know, not pureed. All right, we're gonna put this in a bowl, cover it up, and stick it in the fridge for an hour. Fun fact, sun-dried tomatoes spend around 2 weeks in the sun to ensure they are properly dehydrated. Much of the process is done by hand, so it's very labor-intensive. They're manually put on trays, laid out in the sun, and sorted by size. Since they are literally shriveled tomatoes, they pack a concentrated amount of nutrients like protein, fiber, potassium, iron, and many others. We're almost ready to take the dip out, so grab some pitas, or whatever you want to dip in it. Let's try it. It's kind of sharp. It has that deep tomato taste. Similar to a tomato paste, because, I mean, essentially that's what it is. It's got the nice subtle basil in there. It's good. I think this would be an unexpected dip at a party, but you're like, what's this? And they're like, it's sun-dried tomato basil dip. And you're like, it's good. And that's the end of the conversation. So I put 1/4 cup of the tomato water in the dip. I would add a little bit more just because I want my dip more like a hummus. I want it to easily go on whatever I'm dipping in. I don't want it to break or bend. That's my only alteration I would make to it. Other than that, it's delicious. You should try it. Impress your friends with a dip they've never had before. If you liked what you saw, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. Make sure to comment and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. Wow. I don't know if y'all can hear that thunderstorm out there, but it's pretty bad. And we better not lose power. So I'm trying to hurry up.